What up, Aspire fam? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I hope and pray all your wishes come true. Okay, when was the last time you checked yourself? When was the last time you made sure you're doing well? Look, let me ask you a question. Did you eat today? When was the last time you checked your mentality? When was the last time you checked your physical? If you have a roof over your head, you're doing well in life. A lot of people in this world don't have a place to stay. So just be grateful. Even if you have a small room, a small house, or whatever it is, as long as you got a roof over your head, clap for yourself. Be happy, be grateful, okay? You wanna know why you're doing so well in life? Because you have a good heart. You make sure everybody's straight, you make sure you're good, you take care of the environment, you drink a lot of water, you stay healthy, you work out, you exercise, you do whatever you're chasing your dreams, That's the time for you doing well in life, okay? It's the little thing that counts, it all adds up. So don't ever feel discouraged, don't ever feel like, you haven't done anything that's great in life yet because you're so bombarded with so many tasks in your life. But sometimes people forget the little small things, If you brush your teeth today, you accomplished something, okay? Look, another sign that you're doing well in life is the fact that you got people who cares about you, like your girlfriend, your parents, your boyfriend. If you have nobody, you got yourself. Love yourself, care for yourself, and always be there for yourself, okay? It is what it is. Learn to appreciate everything, and the universe is going to send you a lot of appreciation and abundance. You want to know if you're doing well? Check your bank account. Whatever money you have in there, appreciate it. Even if you have no money, but you're happy, you're still doing well. Because a lot of people take things, differently in life. Some people become broke and they go crazy, they lose their mind, they get stressed out. Some people become broke and they're still happy because, they think, like, today I'm gonna be broke, tomorrow I'm gonna be rich. They make plans, try to make a life different, make a life better. So let's try to view things in a positive prospect than view things so negatively. Keep your head up, stay strong. You guys got this, okay? I believe in all you guys. Last but not least, you wanna know why you're doing so well in life? You're still breathing. You're still living. So if you mess up today, you got tomorrow to make that change. If you broke today, you get the next day to get rich. Guys, think to the future, leave the past behind, and live in the present. Okay? If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Well, love y'all. See you guys next time on the next motivational, inspirational videos. I got y'all. Peace.